Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th video as a part of the training videos on filling up and submitting the DGQI second edition self-assessment questionnaire via the DGQI portal. In the series of videos, we are giving a walkthrough of the DGQI questionnaire and the DGQI portal to explain how the questionnaire is to be responded by the ministries and departments using the DGQI portal. In the past 8 videos, we have already covered how the first 7 sections of part A are to be answered. In this video, we'll be covering part A, section H, which is good practices, which is also the last section in part A of the questionnaire. So we go to the add part A button of the questionnaire, which is available on the home page. And the last section, which is the good practices section, is section H of part A. Within this section, the ministries have been requested to provide 3 good practices of how they have undertaken some measures to strengthen data-driven decision making within the ministry and quantifying its positive impact. So for each good practice, we have requested the ministry for 3 kinds of questions. First, to explain the kind of problem that they were facing. Second, the way ministry used and implemented some kind of data systems or used and implemented some kind of data analytics to address this problem that they were facing so that they could drive better decisions, more quick decisions, smarter decisions. And finally, explain the positive impact that was generated because of this intervention that they undertook, along with any supporting evidence, which can be any sort of numbers or quantitative estimates that they have that explains how this intervention has helped them address the problem correctly. And all of these questions are subjective questions which have to be answered by the ministry within the cap of 5,000 characters for each question. So this question has been repeated for all the 3 good practices. So the ministry can do this for good practice 1, then good practice 2, and then finally the good practice 3. So this covers the last and the final section of part A also. With this, in the last 9 videos, we have covered part A of the questionnaire completely, how each and every section of this part A of the questionnaire that is to be filled by the ministry department at the ministry department level needs to be completed. In the next video, we'll start with part A and we'll cover the first theme within part A, which is data generation. Thank you. So after the ministry has filled in all these sections, it can submit the responses and proceed to part B using this option. If it wants to save the responses to part A, it can also use the save as draft option and then proceed to part B. But for final submission, it is important that the ministry submits the final data. Thank you so much.